In this video, I want to talk about how you can run basically an LLM on your local machine. LLM Studio is basically just a nice program that allows you to basically run local LLMs and AI models on your machine. This works for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You just need to install it and follow the website. So just search LLM Studio and you'll follow the instructions. I can select basically all these models that I have loaded. I already have mine downloaded, and basically a bunch of settings here for you to kind of mess around with. Let me load the model, then you'll get that purple dialog all highlighted, and now we can start chatting away. So there's some 3 recommendations here. So let me select the middle one, which is, can you tell me how to solve a Rubik's Cube? And there you go, look at that go. You can immediately see all the responses right there. It's fast. Obviously, I'm running it on my GPU. That's why it's fast. But also on CPU, I've tested it. It's equally fast as well. There you go. And there's your response. We can type and ask questions. So cool. There we go. And I'm going to hit enter. And there you go. And you see some code. But basically, it's a quick video to show you how to run an LLM on your machine with LLM Studio.